Hi, my name's Andrew, and today we're gonna REKA German pork schnitzel. This ain't your average Wiener Schnitzel or hot dog stand, America. Schnitzel! This is German fare. Now, in Austria and parts of Germany, Wiener Schnitzel, which Wiener means a young cow that's weaning off mum's milk, that's usually, so it's like a beef schnitzel. This today is gonna be a pork schnitzel.
What is schnitzel? Exactly, let us look at it. It's pounded pork with a nice skin of crumbs.
So we're using a pork loin, which I cut up and trimmed earlier. Then I put it in a plastic Ziploc style bag, and I used my tenderizing hammer to beat that into a thinner section of meat. It also doubles as a great tenderizer. I have flour here, to which I'm going to add some paprika, some garlic and onion powder, some Maldon sea flake, and some freshly ground cracked pepper. I also have 6 eggs that I have whisked lightly with a fork. You still want to see these segments of egg white and bits of egg yolk. You don't want to have it well mixed. Just classic German style. And then finally we have some panko, followed by some peanut oil that I have coming up to temperature. Let's bring this puppy together. Not puppy, porky. We're gonna take our first section of schnitzel. We're gonna make sure that our seasoned flour has just a really good coverage over that. This is a great meal if you're on a budget. If you notice, we've taken a very inexpensive cut of meat and we've actually kind of stretched it out almost, literally. This is exactly how it's supposed to look. So you can see the flour's kind of clumping a little bit. Now we're gonna go into the panko and get a real good crust there. So we're gonna go in. Let's do this. Wiener Schnitzel. While that's cooking, I'm gonna start production lining all of these other sections of meat. Let's get it rolling. Let's go in and taste this epic German classic. We're going to take one of these schnitzels here. Now, the classic condiment with German schnitzel is lemon. So let's go in, we're gonna taste this classic. I am really excited about it. I have a lot of high expectations.
I expect the best Wiener Schnitzel.
Crunch test already passed. Let's go in, get some lemon. That is everything you dream of and more.
Oh, you will love it. You will want to roll around in it.
All that pulverizing from the tenderizing hammer. The pork's beautifully tender. It's succulent. It's moist. You have this epic crunchy panko and seasoned flour breading that's just crunchy and flavorsome. Another great condiment that goes with a lot of German dishes is sauerkraut.
Hey, Mom! What's up with all the sauerkraut?
Fantastic. Probiotics, cleanses the palate. Let's go in for some more. This is super easy. It's a very impressive meal. It's very economical. You can take a very simple pork loin cut. You can take other cuts and do the same thing, but pork loin it seems to work really well with. And it's fantastic. Guys, thanks for waiting for me to finish that mouthful because it was phenomenal. Thank you for watching. If you are enjoying this channel, please show us some support, encourage us to stay in the game by liking and subscribing and giving us some REKA comments. Thanks a lot, bye.